About to show you guys. I forgot to show you guys these Jurassic World toys, the original, the Hasbro ones. I don't know when I'm going to get rid of them. They're shitty looking. Yeah, they have the screw holes and shit. Plus, these two don't work, but these guys, they work. Come on, boy, move. Move. Sorry, my dog's always in the way. The only one that's pretty good looking is blue, but I may still want to get rid of it because it looks so ugly looking. But yeah. Yeah, I forgot to show these in my collection.